this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Coinbase. So we're going to start from my Coinbase app, and in here we're going to click on transfer at the bottom right. And in this screen, we're going to click on receive crypto. Right now we're going to click on Solana. And right now we're going to copy this wallet address to our clipboard. And this is what we're going to insert into Robinhood. So let's head over to Robinhood right now. From our Robinhood home screen, we're going to click on send, select Solana, click on enter address down below, paste in the wallet address, click on continue. In here, we're going to enter the amount of Solana that we want to send. So let's say we want to send $0.50 of Solana. We're going to click on review. And after, when you're ready, you're going to click on submit down below. And as you can see, the transfer is processing and the balance will update after it's confirmed. So let's click on done right now. And now let's head over to Coinbase to see if the transfer is processed. So in this screen, I can see that my balance is updated and that the transfer is complete. So that is how you transfer Solana from Robinhood to Coinbase. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.